Hi guys! Welcome back to the Cool Cupcake Sisters! Hey guys! Today's video is a little bit different than usual. Today, my dad is replacing our garbage disposal and I'm going to be explaining what he's doing so you guys know how to replace your garbage disposals when you need it one day. Okay guys, first things first, you have to make sure the pipes are clean and not clogged or filled with water. Then remove the pipes. Next, you have to loosen the old garbage disposal to unattach it from the sink. It must be really hard and awkward for someone as big as my dad to fit his head into a place so tight and small and very, very low. But you can do it, Daddy! Yay! My daddy finally was able to pull the garbage disposal off from the sink. Good job, Daddy! The second step is to disconnect the electric cable from all of the garbage disposal, but still save it to reconnect it to the new one. But make sure before you did the most previous step, turn off your power in your house because you don't want to get electrocuted from the wire. My dad is opening our new garbage disposal and making sure that the garbage disposal is perfect to use and there's no missing parts. My dad is opening the electric compartment in the back of the disposal and he's taking the wires out to connect them to the power to get the disposal to start working. to the wires inside of the garbage disposal and connecting them both together. Done connecting the power to the cables inside of the garbage disposal. This stuff is called plumber's putty, and it's kind of like something to seal the areas so the water doesn't seep down into the bottom of the sink and it just stays in the sink. Before attaching the new unit, you have to take out this little ring to make it easy to attach the machine to the sink. Next, my dad is putting that ring under the sink because it will help the new unit stay in place. And now my dad is attaching this pipe to connect to the other pipe to go to the sewer. Now my dad is starting to connect all the parts together to attach the new unit to the sink and make it work perfectly fine again. And the last thing is that my dad has to put the pipes back together again. Okay guys, it's the end of our video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this video also gave you a lot of information on how to replace your garbage disposal by yourself alone at your house. And that these days can save you a lot of money. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the big red subscribe button down below. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.